A few hours later. Hello YouTube. As I was talking about the camera which I showed you on the web page, it did arrive, and here I am making the initial unboxing to see what's inside. So thank you Banggood for this camera that was sponsored by them, and hope everybody's having a great Friday and goes shopping. So anyway, this is the camera in question. So wow, this thing is kinda heavy. It sure is heavy. I have to move this camera, my phone, further away so I can show it to you. And oh yeah, I was looking for the camera, I couldn't see the camera. And I like how it's, as you can hear it, getting put at an angle. So I do like this. And what does it say here? GPS module. So it has the GPS module, and I think that comes off if you push it to the side. Yes, so this is the GPS module. This looks almost like a SIM card, but the sticker looks like a SIM card. And actually I do like it that you can connect it by sliding it to the side. On the other one you have to slide it to the top, and depending how you mount it, you might not always have the space to do that, and then you have to mount it maybe lower than you would like. So I do like this, that it goes towards this side. So this is obviously the front camera and the display. Let's see how the back camera looks like. And this is the back camera. It also has the clickety adjustments, which is also perfect for my car because my heck window is pretty much straight because it's a not convertible, station wagon. And yeah, here is the connector for the power and the wire, and this one goes I think also to the side. This stump doesn't move. Maybe it's not coming apart. That could be. I don't want to force it. So this is the back camera, and I'm looking forward to have a vision towards the back. So what else is in the box? You know what? Let's push this up there. We need to make room on the table. So actually I want to get it set up so I can put my camera above the table. And here, extended 8 months warranty. Hello back. Everything is in English. You have support and whatnot. This is probably for installation that you put on the window. And here you have your user manual with everything explained, obviously. And then you go one level deeper. You have multiple double-sided sticky tapes that you can, if you don't get it right the first place, you can take it off and put it somewhere else. You have a wire that is pretty thick and heavy. That whole thing was heavy. So, but thick wires speak for thicker conductors, which will have less resistance. This one goes towards the front, on the front camera, this one goes on the back. I did watch some videos myself about the camera. Here we have a short USB cable, and here we have a longer USB cable for the camera, and we have also a USB charger. Oh, there's anything? Okay, let's put this on the table. Whoop. This is a USB cable for the front camera, and you have dual USB plug. I mean, these are pretty much standard stuff, but I still want to show you what's inside. And it is a 12 volt 3.1 amps output. And then here you have a few cable clips that you can glue somewhere and hold the wire. I would obviously prefer it to hide the wire underneath the internal covers, or how you call it, you know what I mean. And then here you have a tool again, pretty sturdy, to lift the insulation or the coverings, the inside coverings, and put the wire behind it. So that's that. This will be again just a short video. This will probably not power up without a battery, because it has super caps instead of a battery. And I didn't even, nope, nothing happening. It doesn't have a dedicated power button, it seems. Let me just really quickly look at this. Our menu power on off, the first one. So, but without power, nothing's gonna happen. Actually, we could use the short cable that is kindly provided, which I don't know where you're gonna use this in the car, because it is pretty short, but it's perfect for my demonstration. I switched to Christmas decorations on my table. Anyway, plug this in. USB and rear clearly indicated. Okay. Recording action. Okay, here we go. VIOFO Microsd card. I did have one on the table, but this is probably not gonna work because it's only very small. This is what I get if I do it without doing anything. Maybe I should take that sticker off. Good luck. Microsd card reader mode. Also, since you can connect obviously two cameras to it, you have a picture-in-picture, and then you can switch between front and back camera. Okay. Well, it does not make sense to make this blindly. I will have to look into it, and then I will make another video. So this will be a few videos. And let me also try this from the top, because in the car actually you're supposed to use the top one. I think. Anything happening? Yes. It's kind of slow to start up. Oh, and we have Houston, we have takeoff. So, oh, I do like it. Oh, this is the view. You have a speed indicator because you do have obviously the GPS. Okay, here we go. Maybe I should really, I'm sorry YouTube, I was just too excited, which you can probably tell by my introduction. Okay. Oh, I'm really, there's a bit made live video source, loop recording, VDR, exposure, parking mode, parking recording timer, parking G sensor, parking motion detection, time-lapse recording while I'm talking, GPS, speed unit, G sensor, Wi-Fi, date stamp, GPS info stamp, camera module, record audio, screensaver, boot delay, date time, time zone, language, beep sound. I do not want. Startup sound only, off. What a relief. Frequency, image rotation, on. Front only, rear only. Oh, okay. If I'm image rotation, it should switch from left to right, I guess. Let's see. Oh no, the display turned upside down. Okay. Now you have to. Okay, image rotation we don't want. Rear camera mirror. No, that's what I was. Rear camera mirror. So you can mirror the image for the rear camera. This is going out again. Okay, format warning, default setting, car number, custom text stamp, and firmware version. That might be interesting. So it is firmware 2.1. And if it does say that, you will be obviously able to update your firmware. So this is it. I would like to actually try the back camera as well. Okay, let me just power this off. As you see, no power. Okay, the LEDs were still on short. Let's do this. Okay, that was supposed to go for the back. Oh, actually it is labeled here. What does it say? Connect to camera. Connect to front camera. I don't know if you can read it, but that's what it says, and that's what I remember seeing. So this goes in here, so you have both wires going out the top, and plug this in. I wish they would not use, this is actually mini USB, not even micro, so it's a little older. Okay, power this up. And let's see what we get. I just want to show the picture in picture. I think this is one of the worst videos I made. I'm sorry. Oh boy, this cable is stiff. Anyway, I tried to put it to hold it. What would help also is take the sticker off that camera as well. There are also some filters that you can get. I don't quite remember what they're called now. They make the image clearer. And oh, okay. Oh, I like that. So now we have the back camera. It's obviously upside down, but that's what the cable is right now. So, and here you should be able to switch, but I guess it's somewhere else. Oh, okay. Oh, it just takes a little while. So this is the back camera only now. Come on. Yes, no, maybe. Okay, this is the front camera main, the back camera in the window. Do I have to click twice? It's a little slow. So what happened now? Oh, okay. Oh yes, this is the main frame, main window now, and this is small. It looks almost like it's it looks like it's 3 views, but it's only 2, obviously. And then we have the front camera only. So it all works, and I need to study the manual to give you a better review, but I just wanted to open it and show it to you right after I got it. It's like I walked out, I came inside and I opened the box without doing anything else. I even have the nylon wrapper here. So this is the second part. Sorry that I took your time. I hope I didn't waste it all the way, but I can see the complaints coming in that I don't show anything, or I didn't show anything, but this is what it is. This is what you get for live video. I'm not writing a script and read from it. This is as it happens, as life is that way. So this is it. I do like them, and I look forward to installing these and making a video in the car of the camera to show you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you, Banggood, again, and enjoy your weekend, everybody. Take care.